Welcome back to our channel Food Facts for You. Today, we are embarking on a delectable journey into the diverse world of olives. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind the varying colors, origins, natural qualities, and the incredible health benefits these little fruits offer. Olives, much like people, come in a spectrum of colors, from vibrant greens to deep purples. Contrary to popular belief, the color of an olive doesn't always indicate its ripeness. Green olives are typically plucked before they reach full maturity, while black olives are left to ripen longer on the tree, developing their characteristic dark hue. Now, let's take a closer look at the captivating palette of olive colors. The shades range from bright greens to luscious purples, each offering a unique flavor profile and texture. But here's the fascinating part. The color of an olive doesn't solely rely on its ripeness. Contrary to popular belief, it's not a simple equation of green means unripe and black means fully matured. Green olives are indeed harvested before reaching full ripeness, boasting a firmer texture and a more bitter taste compared to their mature counterparts. Black olives, on the other hand, are left to ripen longer on the tree, undergoing a fascinating transformation from green to various shades of purple before finally maturing into the darker hues we often associate with them. This extended ripening process allows the olives to develop a smoother, milder taste with a richer oil content. The colors of olives are influenced not only by their ripening stages, but also by factors such as the specific variety of the olive tree, the climate of the region where they grow, and the harvesting techniques employed. These variables contribute to the beautiful diversity of olive colors you see before you. So, next time you gaze at a selection of olives, remember that their colors narrate a tale of ripening journeys, showcasing the intricate process from vibrant greens to the deep, enticing purples and blacks. It's a visual symphony that mirrors nature's artistry within each delectable fruit. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the magnificent olive groves that span across the Mediterranean. These regions, blessed with a perfect climate and soil, cultivate olives that boast distinct flavors. Did you know that the taste of an olive can be influenced by its terroir, just like wine? Now, let's talk about the natural essence of olives. They are indeed a gift from nature, growing on majestic olive trees. But before they grace our tables, many undergo processing methods like brining or curing in oil, which enhances their flavors and extends their shelf life without compromising their natural goodness. The health benefits of olives. These little wonders are packed with antioxidants, healthy monounsaturated fats, and vitamins E and K. Studies suggest that their consumption may help reduce the risk of heart disease, improve digestive health, and even contribute to better skin and hair. Just a handful can provide a powerful nutritional punch. Let's not forget the culinary magic olives bring to the table. From zesty tapenades to savory pasta dishes, olives elevate flavors and add a unique tanginess. Today, we're creating a Mediterranean-inspired olive tapenade, showcasing the versatility and deliciousness of these fruits. As we wrap up our olive exploration, remember that these little fruits aren't just a delight for your taste buds. They're a testament to nature's abundance and a treasure trove of health benefit. So, the next time you reach for olives, relish not only their taste, but also their rich history and nutritional value. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more culinary delights. Until our next culinary exploration, keep savoring those olives.